Alrighty. Hello, everybody. Today I have a little special treat, something that I found at my local recycle store. I think I paid about, how much? Senin? $10? $20? Something like that. It was really cheap. So, today, it's not an RC car, but it's an RC plane. It was kind of one of those impulse buys. Let's take a look here. The electric plane DH80A Puss Moth. Got the side boxes here. I've already taken a look inside, and of course, I buy certain things on impulse sometimes, especially when they're really cheap. They actually have several different models that you can get. There we go, that's better. And yeah, this is I was hoping it was going to be a backside, nothing there. I was hoping it was going to be a wood kit, and I opened it up and was surprised and mildly disappointed, but that's okay. Let's take a look inside, because this is actually because I'm an idiot and I didn't bother reading the description, it's actually a pre-built, like one of those foam kits, I do believe so. It's the instruction book. 117 scale, yes. Instructions in both English and Japan. Umejima Adachiku in Tokyo. Union Model Company Limited. Ltd. It's great. These always have both English and Japanese, which, I mean, if it was just Japanese I'd be fine too, but the English makes life a little bit easier. And so there we have the instructions. Let's take a look here. Tailpiece. I'm actually going to build this today because it shouldn't take too long. Might as well have a little bit of fun. Ooh, very nice. We got the again, apologies for the lighting. That is just the nature of the beast here. It's a dark navy blue, printed in Hong Kong. Wow. That's interesting. Cool. Ooh, very light. Very plasticky. Or styrofoam, I guess actually I should say. That's still okay though. I'm okay with that. I'm totally okay with that. Why not? Why not? What the heck? There's a police car that flew past my apartment and stopped exactly where I thought it was going to stop, at the local park, because there's a homeless guy there usually. Ooh, crunchy. I hope he isn't causing any problems or trouble. Okay, you got the nice yellowing tape here. Ish. Here are the body pieces. There you go. The two halves. Yeah, styrofoam. Packing material. But hey, at least this will be quick and easy to build. And here we have the front snout, I guess is what it's called. Let's go right here. Obviously very light. Here you have your accessory pieces with a couple of front propellers. Here's the gearbox. I think it's a reduction, not a reduction, the opposite. Gearbox. Oh yeah, made out of the finest plastic money can buy. But it's light, so whatever. It already has the motor installed and everything. As I lose all the components here, of course. Go ahead and dump that in there. Oh yeah, alright. Even has the battery pack, which is probably deader than a doornail. Let's see if we can't try to rehabilitate this guy. Oh yeah. With the on and on off switch and everything. Oh, I'll take a look at this guy later. Well, hasn't blown up yet. And the wheel parts and everything. And this is really cool. This actually has a, yeah, it's a ELE-EL, your electronic powered free flight plane kit with GEAE reduction system. This is cool though. I'm probably not going to use this, but this is a quick charger. So you put a bunch of D-cell batteries in here. And you push the button. Charge the battery through here. It's actually kind of nifty. Oh, Jesus. That's cute. 3N 100 milliamp NiCad batteries. Ah, here we go. Probably belongs in a museum. And it's all written in Japanese. Oh, but there's also English in the back, of course. Oh, come on. You can do it. Oh, yeah. Brilliant. There you have it. This is just going to be a quick little unboxing. I was thinking about maybe building this on camera, but that's, I don't know. I would like to, but I prefer to just focus and concentrate on what I'm doing without having to think about the camera or think about talking. Just silence me and the model that I'm building. That's kind of, I was thinking about that this morning. That's kind of more like me. More like me. Or just, you know, at least showing you guys what's inside of these old kits. Old? I don't know. I don't even know how old this thing is. Let's take a look. The contents and price are subject to change without notice. Made in China, though, so it can't be that old. It was originally 680 yen. I paid more than 680 for. I think this was like 1100 yen. So about, in USD, about 10 bucks or so. But I'm not too sure. Oh yeah, the kit number is EL-054800. So EL-05 4800. And yeah, it doesn't say what year, unfortunately. I can only guess. Blah blah. Much writing. Let's take a look here. Nah, I'd have to maybe Google away, or somebody knows what year this was released. That'd be kind of cool to know. I don't know, I'm gonna guess by this, it's got to be like the 90s maybe, or yeah, I don't know, late 80s, early 90s. I don't know, maybe. Anyways, again, this is just a quick little unboxing about, just to show you guys what's in this kit. This will be everything, and have a great day.